Good morning, Dan. This is just a video to show that the furnace is not functioning properly. Just about a day or two ago, it stopped heating up. It goes on for a little while, and then it just stays making some noise and blowing air, cool air, and then afterwards it just shuts down. So I'll give you an example now. So it clicks on. It's blowing air. And then it shuts down. And the hot water is working, as is the gas stove. And just to make sure that it wasn't any of these things, yeah, that's getting nice and warm. Just to make sure that it wasn't any of these things, I filled up the tanks yesterday, and so they're full tanks, and everything was working before, and so now it just stopped. So I just wanted to give you a heads up and see what we can do about that. Thank you.